The Kind Doctor and the Old Woman. A kind and cheerful doctor named Rima lived in a small town. She always carried a warm smile. She listened carefully to every patient. The people of the town loved her because she treated everyone with respect and care. On a cold winter morning, an old woman named Lakshmi Amma walked slowly to the clinic. She was shivering and was wrapped in a thin shawl. Her face looked tired and her feet were bare. Dr. Rima saw her from the window and rushed out. "Amma, come in! You must be feeling very cold," said Dr. Rima, gently holding Lakshmi Amma's hand. She helped the old woman sit down, gave her a warm blanket, and offered her hot tea. Lakshmi Amma had a bad cough and fever. Dr. Rima treated her lovingly and gave her medicine. She said, "You do not need to pay me. Just promise me you will rest and stay warm." The old woman's eyes filled with tears. "No one has treated me with such kindness in all these years," she said in a soft voice. Dr. Rima smiled and replied, "A good doctor heals not only with medicine, but also with love." Dr. Rima gave Lakshmi Amma a pair of socks and some food. From that day on, Lakshmi Amma visited the doctor often, not for medicine, but to say hello and give her fresh flowers. Moral: kindness and care can heal more than medicine.